The reason I wanted to go solar is I bought this brand new house last year here in Southwest Florida. And as we know in Florida, we lose power a lot. We have a lot of storms, and sometimes it's a few days before you get that back. I have this post-traumatic stress disorder, and I really needed that comfort to have the ability to have power. And I wanted a whole house solar system, and everybody kept telling me that's a unicorn. It doesn't exist. You can't have that. You can run your AC for an hour or two and then turn your refrigerator on for a couple hours, and I'm like, no, there's got to be somebody out there better. And I searched and searched, and I found you, WindMar Solar. After talking with Brian, representative from WindMar, we discussed many things, and Brian assured me that he had the system that worked for me. So I want to tell you about a little event that happened. I went to the grocery store one morning, gone about a half hour, came back home, pulled in the driveway, garage door worked fine, lights worked fine, put my groceries up into the refrigerator, went in to get on the computer, and I noticed I had an email from the power company, and it said I was out of power. And I thought, well, that's silly. I'm not out of power. Everything in my house is working. Finally, I went out to my meter on the side of the house, and sure enough, my power was dead. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you, I spent an hour and a half in my home. I didn't know I was without power. That kind of security for me is priceless. They gave me independence, and they gave me hope and security. You can't find a better company. I promise you, on my word, as a veteran. God bless you all, and God bless America.